Hello guys, are you struggling with cracked heels? Don't worry, I have the perfect home remedy for you. Today, I'm showing you a simple step-by-step solution to get rid of cracked heels fast. So guys, stay with me and watch this video to the end. So the first step is soaking. First, we are going to soften these tough, dry heels. First of all, fill a basin with warm water and soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps to soften the dead skins and make it easier to remove. So while you are soaking, relax and take your time. This is your self-care moment. The second step is soap application. Now, here is the secret ingredient. This is Dettol Antiseptic soap, commonly known as Dettol Even Tone. I strongly recommend this soap because it's not just an antiseptic soap, it's also an antibacterial soap which helps to prevent infection in those deep crack areas. So after soaking your legs on warm water, you take this Dettol soap and rub it directly on your heels, focusing on all the cracked areas. This antibacterial soap not only cleanses, but it also helps to prevent infection, as I said earlier. So make sure you cover every cracked spot of your feet. The third step is filing. So grab your heel file. As you can see, this is where the magic happens. So while the soap is still on your heel, gently file away the dead rough skin using circular motion. Don't press too hard, let the file do the work. See how the dead skin is coming off. Keep filing until your heel feels smooth. Do this for both feet. Finally is applying heel repair cream. I recommend this heel balm because this is one of the best cream to use. This repair cream will help to keep your heel soft and crack free. So just a quick recap. Remember, first step is soaking, second step is application of soap, third step is filing of your feet, and the final stage is applying heel repair cream. Here comes the end of this video. So do this routine for like 2 to 3 times a week and watch your cracked heels disappear. So if this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy home remedies. Drop your comments and let me know if you struggle with cracked heel. See you in my next video. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your time.